What's the meaning of brood mare? Brood mare. Brood mare.
Brood mare. Brood mare. The term brood mare refers to a female horse that is used for breeding purposes. It is commonly used in the horse racing industry to describe mares that are specifically selected for their genetic traits and breeding histories in order to produce high-quality foals. The brood mare is generally considered a valuable asset, as her offspring may go on to become successful racehorses or breeding stock themselves. However, the term has been criticized by some as being dehumanizing and objectifying, reducing the mare to nothing more than a breeding machine.